Our space is endless. Unfortunately, these days, our space is endlessly red. We are dancing with the devil right now, on the verge of star explosion, on the verge of something bigger, on the verge of supernova. Today, I'm gonna offer you a different perspective on this crypto crash and the crypto market in general. I wanna lead you to the search trends. I wanna show you what is happening on Google Trends and what you are searching about your favorite coins. We're gonna run through many of them and draw different conclusions than before. If that interests you, stick around. Is it possible that this guy killed us all? Unfortunately, or fortunately, no. This was brewing for quite some time. We were overstretched. We were greedy, extremely greedy, for weeks, months. And now, today, standing in the extreme fear of 23, yesterday even more fearful 21. Now, if you want to follow famous investors and the famous saying, when there is a blood on the streets, you should buy, I think it cannot be bloodier than this. People are extremely fearful right now, and if we are not endangering the bull market that we're on, this is the most opportune time for your investment. Now, as I said, we are dancing with the devil, so no clear signs of revival just yet. Now comes into the picture the part that we are taking that different perspective, trends. We're gonna go through some search trends of your favorite cryptos, of the term crypto and anything related to it, to see how we stand in correlation with the previous bubble. So follow me to the charts of the Google Trends. Let's see what answers we might find. Ladies and gentlemen, Google Trends. The metrics we're gonna use today. We're gonna explore entire world in the last 5 years. So what term, what search on the Google in that period? What will caught your eye on any of this chart will be practically the things, our current status and where we stand right now. And at the majority of the cryptos I'm going to show you today at search terms, the peak of 2017 bubble. And you might remember that. This was huge interest of people for cryptocurrencies in general. Of course, the bubble is showing this. So as I already said in my previous videos, this is an excellent indicator to see if we are roaring to the top. Our first term will be crypto. And yes, your first conclusion should be, well, we overpassed our 2017 bubble, which means that people are fairly more interested. We are having a newcomers. The crypto game is on. How should you interpret this thing? Well, not only that we aborted the people from the previous bull market, as I said, we are now having a newcomers. Therefore, we are having this surge in people's interest. Far more people are now searching for the term crypto than at 2017. And just notice this dead zone. For years, no one was interested in crypto, which reflected in its prices. This was the bear market. So where we stand, we touched 100 and are now having a retracement, which is expected. The thing is, all of these people's interest in crypto, in the last bubble, the majority could have been in Bitcoin. Now we are diversifying in many projects, Ethereum and all the other altcoins, DeFi. We have so many newcomers and the quality ones. So when you see this term crypto, it doesn't mean that majority is in Bitcoin. No. On the next chart, I will show you that different story is unraveling with Bitcoin. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, a totally different story. Because look at this change from the search term crypto. Do you know what this is? The 2017 bubble. And where are we right now? Below that bubble. What is this indicating to you? This is by far the most important chart on the search trends that I'm going to show you today. this is a clear indication that Bitcoin, in correlation to the crypto, is nowhere near its bubble. Yeah, crypto in general, total market cap, could be roaring to some levels of top, as you saw, but Bitcoin not even close. Because keep in mind, we haven't even aborted the people from the last bubble, not to mention the newcomers in the next few months when Bitcoin going to soar higher. That will happen. So all that you need to take from this chart is no, this in Bitcoin, although is crushing like a madman, is not a top. But when we are doing that dissection, is that the case with altcoins? Well, yes, it is. It is the case with altcoins. Somehow that term crypto is soaring to the new levels, but once again the altcoin season of 2017 was here, and no, we haven't surpassed those levels. Similar story is unraveling as with Bitcoin, and this should be a clear indication to you that the big and the fiercest altcoin season you ever saw is yet to come. This is no altcoin mania, this is no madness, this is madness, and this you should expect as we are approaching the end of the year. Timelines are not important right now. Now I want to dive into your coins. Let's see what's happening in there. Ethereum, in the last 5 years, the bubble of 2017 surpassed. Different story than with Bitcoin. What's happening right now? Well, do notice that we touched 100 as we are in the price discovery with Ethereum. Ethereum is getting far more spotlight than in the last few years regarding to Bitcoin. Maybe this could be an indication of Ethereum flipping Bitcoin. I don't know. We will see. But notice those dotted lines that are projecting the interest of people. Google Trends, their algorithm is projecting that the people's interest in Ethereum will wane over the next few weeks, months. We'll see about that. Let's go to the next one. XRP, ladies and gentlemen, yours favorite, and the one you hate the most. Well, 2070 bubble, clear madness. On this candle, it showed us resistance, but then we broke that resistance. And as XRP is in real life in its price action, the crazy coin, so is its search trends. People are getting on and off XRP. We are back below this level of interest that was here in 2017. So I suspect that XRP interest will rise over the next few months, weeks. This couldn't be the top. Yeah, we breached those levels, but this is not it. Binance coin, for example, also breached its all-time highs on interest that Binance had in 2017, but Binance was not a beast that it was today. In 2017, many things change, and yeah, they are projecting now that people's interest will fade over the next few weeks. I wonder what they are basing their algorithm at. We'll see about that. But look at this guy, Cardano. Look at this little bump on the road in 2017, and then absolutely nothing for months, years. What came after that was the explosion after we broke this all-time highs. And here's some TA. We came back, retested it, and are now soaring. That's a good word. Soaring to the upside. And those dots are an indication that Google Trends think that people's interest in Cardano will become even bigger and bigger. Well, isn't this one great indication of Cardano's potential? Maybe they are right. Maybe Cardano will continue to move higher and higher. It crashed $2 just the other day, so anything is possible. On the search trends, Cardano is looking super bullish. Now, as a fairly new coin that it didn't exist at that bubble of 2017, we are having a bullish price action at this point. A few months ago, people's interest were at the highest levels. We are now cooling off, but I think that right now Polkadot is poising itself to regain that interest once again. I think it retraced enough in human search trends. Now here's an interesting one, Bitcoin Cash. Why interesting? Well, first of all, check out this tremendous spike and check out where we are right now. Nowhere. Bitcoin Cash haven't moved. Why is that? This is the coin that's losing and still haven't got attention of the society. I'm not saying that it won't, but for now, Bitcoin Cash is not fairly search term in the Google Trends. We are not completely dead. Like in here, but this is not showing some superb signs of life. And this is where you can use Google Trends as your metric. Is something a good investment or not? I'm not saying that Bitcoin Cash will not explode to the upside. I'm just saying that for now, it hasn't got any attention. Same goes with this goodie but oldie Litecoin. Huge spike in 2017. Right now, I'm afraid nothing. Those two guys are not in the eye of the beholder for now. Things change fast in crypto. But as you can see, there are far better investments in our crypto cosmos than those two guys at this moment. I just want to remind you, if you want your coin to be covered in the next video, check out the description below. If you want to be updated on my next video, subscribe to the channel. It's free, it's red box, it says subscribe, just click it. And if you want to support this channel, one like should do it. Thank you very much. Until the next time, I'm presenting you these videos that you're seeing on the screen right now. Check them out. We're doing technical analysis, we're doing price predictions. And now, I hope I see you on the green day. Bye bye.